William has a busy life. He studies and works every day from Monday to Friday. His classes begin at 9 a.m. Sometimes his bus is late, and he arrives at 9:30 a.m. He always pays attention in the class and does the exercises. He likes his classes, but he has a lot of homework. He does his homework in the library. Sometimes his friend does him a favor and helps him. William can't do the homework in the evening because he works. He works at a shoe store from 4 to 8:30 p.m. At work, he helps people and sells them shoes. He can't use his phone there. At 8 o'clock, he closes the store and cleans it. Sometimes he is tired because he is very busy, but this week he doesn't work. He's going to relax with us in the country.
Thanks for watching. Like it and subscribe to the channel.